Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually find a winning product to sell on eBay. Now, one of the major things that you need to understand before you start a dropshipping business is the different strategies that you need to implement, and that is the reason why we are making all these amazing videos that are available on our channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're bringing to you. The main purpose of our videos is to give you the right strategy, the right tips, and the right tricks that you would require to scale your business to new heights. And obviously, with the successful implementation of those strategies, you can increase your sales and get loyal customers to ensure that whatever product that you get and put on your store, someone will always there be to buy it. And that is the reason why I always mention to individuals that whenever you select an item to put on your store, make sure that you do intensive research and you only select the winning products. And how to find those winning products is the reason why we're making today's video. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it and where you need to find it and what you need to do once you have found it and what research you need to put in and how you need to understand that strategy and how you need to implement that strategy and how you need to scale that strategy. And once you're successfully being able to do all those elements together at the same time, you would be able to start a successful dropshipping business on ebay.com. So the first thing you need to do is understand how eBay tends to work, and for that we are going to search for a particular product. We are going to search for phone cases. Now, as we search for phone cases, you'll see that we will find a lot of individuals that are selling these phone cases online. This one is being sold from the UK, and 141 have been sold for $7.27. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different elements that are available that people are selling these particular items for. Now, obviously, one of the major things I personally feel is crucial for you to understand is the accessorization industry is excellent when it comes to selecting a winning product. And the reason behind that is the fact that every single individual living on this globe has a phone, and everyone needs to protect their phone. And obviously, if you can get a good product to customers at a reasonable price, you can increase that, scale that, and make a successful business out of it. Now, you guys might be thinking that this is all a bunch of baloney, but at the end of the day, we have research, and we have research-based information, which I am going to be sharing with you in today's video. For that, you need to head over to the seller hubs on eBay. On the seller hubs, you need to head over to research, and as you head over to research, you need to select this particular item. For example, we were searching for phone cases, so we will search for phone cases, and as we do that, we'll be able to find all the information about the phone cases for the last 6 months. So let's go ahead and change the filters over here because we don't want to use this right now. And as I scroll down, you'll be able to see that the average selling price for this particular item is $10.82 with an average shipping of $4.67. A total sold are 756,951, and the total sales is a whopping $8.1 million. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see individuals that have made a lot of money. For example, this seller is selling this particular item for $8.25 with a shipping of $19.99. They've sold 16,402 items, and the last one was sold yesterday, and a total sale of $135,357. They made over $100,000 just off one product. So let's scroll down and see different individuals that are selling a similar product. As you can clearly see, 18,000, 32,000, 22,000, 15,000, 19,000, 10,000, 15,000. They're making a lot of money selling these items, guys. This individual is selling one item for $7.98. They made $12,623. This is a winning item, guys. But how to make these sales and how to ensure that you make a huge profit out of it? Just imagine that the actual buying price for this product is going to be 1 cent or $1 or 10 cents. They made at least $10,000 profit off just one product. So what we need to do is head over to AliExpress. This is a place where you can find amazing bargain deals, and this is the reason why I always mention to individuals that want to buy particular items to head over to AliExpress and find winning bargain priced items that they could add onto their eBay store. So we're going to search for the phone cases right now and see how much a phone case from China is for. And as we do that, we'll be taken to the next page. On this page, what we're going to do is we're going to change it from the order level. So we're going to see who has got the most element over here. This particular items for $3.55. They've sold 69,000 of this one particular item. This is for $1.81. They have sold 60,000 worth of these particular items. So they've made at least $120,000 just off one product. They've made 100,000 of this product. They've made 100,000 of this product, and they've made at least 200,000 of this product. That is huge, guys. And obviously we know for a fact that this is definitely a product that is gonna sell. So what we need to do is find this product at the best particular price. But before we do that, guys, one of the major elements that you need to understand when you select a particular item is to look at the price that you're getting it for. This is for $3.55. 69 have been sold, and it's for free shipping. If we head over back to our eBay store and we scroll up, we'll be able to see the same product and see the price that they're selling for it on eBay. Now at eBay, this particular item is being sold for $7.27 with $6.67 for shipping. So that is around a total of $12 to $13 off the product. If we buy this product from our store on AliExpress, we're going to get it for $3.55, easily making a $4 to $5 profit on it. And if we sell it for 69,000 times to 69,000 individuals, we can make a huge profit on it, guys. And that is the reason why I always say to individuals to find the best particular product that's available online and to ensure that you can get that product to your individuals, and make sure that you find it for free shipping. But before we do that, I want to show you another store where you can get it even cheaper. Let's head over to Alibaba.com. At Alibaba.com, you can have a very interesting element, because with AliExpress, you're still buying it from the middleman. But at Alibaba.com, they cut out the middleman. You get directly to the source, to the manufacturer, to the supplier, to the individuals that is providing that particular item. And if you can make a transaction on Alibaba.com, make connections on Alibaba.com, get in room with Alibaba.com, you'll be able to select a particular product and make a massive profit on it. So let's search for phone cases again over here and see who are the individuals and how much a phone case is worth on Alibaba.com. As we add it, we're going to search for it, and we will see all these individuals that are selling this particular item. Now if you scroll down, you'll see the same item for 50 cents, guys. 50 for 50 cents. And if you're selling it on eBay, you're selling it for at least $13. So that is a healthy profit, guys. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see more elements over here for even better prices. And guys, at the end of the day, you want to find a supplier that has experience, a supplier that can give you amazing products. These anti-shock custom phones is for 29 cents, and they have a 3-year experience. So let's say we want to buy this particular product. All you need to do is click on this. It'll take you to the next page. On this page, we can see that if we get more than 10,000, it's going to cost us 29 cents. And if we sell 10,000 of these at least for $10, we're going to make an easy $100,000 off this particular product. The more we sell it, the more money we're going to make. And obviously, the best thing is that we can easily contact them and get a delivery by January 21st. And obviously, they can even compensate for delayed in delivery. The full information about the product, the full information about the company is available. And all we need to do is check the verified supplier, check where they're from and how long they've been working on Alibaba.com, what their store rating is, what their transaction is, and what their markets are. And you can easily contact them and get this product to your stores and give your customers a chance to buy a particular product, a winning product. It is truly as simple, straightforward, easy as that. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, and easy it is to find out about new winning products and put them on their eBay store. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.